What up, y'all? Diff is nearly out. There's a couple bolts here and there, brake lines. The other side I got to take off the e-brake cable, and then the upper and lowers. But for the most part, it's all there. The drive shaft is disconnected. Shocks are disconnected. I got new hardware for all that. I got all the new self-adjusting cables for the e-brake. But for the most part, it's ready to come down, other than a couple of bolts, because everything has never honestly been taken off, or it's been poorly installed. Having issues with some of the stuff, but for the most part, it's all coming together. But right now, I'm actually just prepping the new diff, getting ready to put the gasket on it and everything. I'm just cleaning up all the old gasket maker so that it's completely flat. Oh shoot, that's gonna be an issue. Hopefully that doesn't cause any issues. Damn, I'm probably gonna have to put some gasket maker right here because of that chip. But luckily that's on the top part of the diffs, so it won't be. Actually, yeah, that's the top part. This is the top part of the diff, so luckily it's on the top and not the bottom, so it'll be less prone to leak. But I'm gonna just go ahead and get this diff prepped so that it has fluid in it and it's ready to go once I drop the old one. Got a pretty late start for the day, but it's because I was working till 2 a.m. last night working on the foxbody. I was able to get the exhaust on. The diff is in. The only thing left that to do is just tidy up the exhaust, like the hangers and stuff. And then after that, I just need to do the brake lines for the drums and then bleed the system and then take it for a test drive. My upgraded diff, it's an 8.8 and I'm upgrading from a 7.5. The original gearing was 308 and then I'm switching to a 373. So it should be a lot faster in theory, but I can't wait for the test drive. I'm not 100% sure if it's posi, just because the person that sold it to me said that it was a torsion, like limited slip. I don't know, but we're gonna see when I do the test drive. Gonna do a couple burnouts to see if like there's 2 tire marks, you know. But other than that, you guys will see once I get to the shop. It should be done today.